Hello there, Glam Squad. Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Gigi, and it's time to remove some nails. As you can see, one is broken. And actually, I did end up cutting this off, but part of it did break. We'll get to that. So when I unboxed that Modelones kit, I thought that I got 2 packages of the UV gel cleanser, but I didn't. I actually got one of the removal. It says removal dedicated, but I believe that just means that it is so that you can put it on your nail and remove their gel and their or polygel. And I know that it is soak off, so I thought we would give these a try. Before we do that though, as I remove these, let me just give a mini review. I don't want to go crazy with saying yes or no 100%. Ooh, this is the part that always scares me. Will it fly? Will it make me cry? What's gonna happen? But it's time for some new. I want to get some big toenail clippers because these are starting to really get well loved. So there's also encapsulation in here, so some of what I'm cutting through can be kind of big and plasticky, and this was a fat nail. So anyway, they held up pretty well, honestly. I think they did really good. This nail crumbled on the side. I'm going to go ahead and chalk it up to the encapsulation. Possibly I had something too big, too close to the edge, and I was actually taking the camera off its stand when it just sort of crumbled on the side there. I was putting too much pressure on it. And, ooh, this is really tough. But so far, I'm going to say I really do approve of the kit. You're not going to get a ton of nails out of it, but you do get the little lamp and all of those wonderful polishes, and you get the base and top coat, which is really shiny. It's super nice. I've been using it a lot in my other videos, so oh my god, you guys. And as you can see, it's really tough. And I'm not being gentle. I'm really trying to cut this. I might have to drill it. But you can see there's stuff in there, right? And some of it's thick and chunky, so we'll see if the plain nail cuts a little easier. Oh, there we go. And this is the pink. Let's see what that's about. Oh, see, that one went easy. I'm chalking that up to the encapsulation. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, whoo-wee, that was crazy. What I'm going to do now is get a drill bit, and we're going to go with coarse. And I clean my bits in Barbicide, so I always know they're ready to go. I'm not going to take it down really far. I want to test these, but I do want to break the seal and get the polish off. So let's do that. All right, I've never used these before, but it says tear a long line. I am gonna actually fold it in half and slip it back in there because my finger is not that big. And then put my finger in there. Oh, I like how it's got this little stickiness. I'm gonna put my finger in there. I'm just making sure the pad is all the way on it. Okay, from here it's gonna get increasingly more difficult. 100%. Okay guys, we'll be back in like 10 minutes or so. All right guys, let's take this one off. Oh, I feel like maybe that was not on tight enough. So maybe not this one. Let's try a different one. Okay guys, after 10 minutes, really not much has changed. And they are definitely hitting the pads. Yeah, I'm not even really able to scrape anything off. Okay, this one actually, yes, definitely on the pink. Not a ton, but you can see like a big chunk of it came off. Okay. I think for a fair test, we have to give it 10 more minutes. Let's check this thumb. Yeah, a little bit on the thumb. Again, that's the pink, but not that much, honestly. I can definitely see it's working on it right here, though. All right, let's give it 10 more minutes, and then we're gonna bust out the drill. If it's not more significant than that. All right, be right back. Okay, we are back. Let's go in and see what we got here. Okay, the clear doesn't really seem to be phased at all. Okay, the pink really does come off a little though. Huh, but not very much. That's 20 minutes, you guys. There should be a lot more. Okay. Yeah, no, that's not good. Okay, this is my initial thoughts on these, is that after 20 minutes, they should have already done a better job than this. I could have many times over drilled these off. Let's see. Let's see if it helped with that at all, though. Made it like maybe a little softer. Okay, I will say that it made it a little softer for drilling. Okay guys, I'm gonna say if you want something that will soften it enough to make it quicker to file. It's available, but honestly, for 20 minutes, I don't think it was worth the extra quickness to file, because just filing it alone would have saved you the 20 minutes, right? And even on the one that it did work on, it didn't work that well. So would I recommend these removal pads? I would not. If you're thinking about buying them on their own without them already coming in a kit, I probably would not recommend them. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and remove the rest of these off camera, finish this video out, and say thank you so much for watching my attempt to use these remover pads. On our next video, I will have nice clean nails, and we will be doing a fresh set testing the Modelones white polygel. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss that. Thank you again so much for watching this video. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.